You know, everyone talks about investing, but most of what you hear is all about quick wins and instant success. Charts that shoot up overnight, hot tips everyone is chasing, it all looks exciting, but it rarely lasts. The truth is, investing isn't about speed, it's about patience. It's about learning slowly, making small decisions consistently, and staying the course, even when nothing seems to happen. In this video, we're going to uncover the investment truths no one talks about. These are the things that actually matter for building real wealth over time. And they're not flashy, they're not instant, but they work. Let's be real. You've probably tried investing before. You downloaded an app, opened an account, put in a little money, clicked a few buttons, then the chart went down, and suddenly, all that excitement disappeared. You told yourself, maybe I'm not cut out for this. Maybe investing just isn't for me. But that's exactly the point. The problem isn't you. The problem is the truths nobody tells you. Most people don't fail in investing because they pick the wrong asset. They fail because they can't handle their own emotions. Fear, greed, impatience, these are the hidden costs of investing. You don't see them on a chart, but they decide everything. People think they need more information, but what they really need is more emotional control. You don't lose money when the price drops. You lose money when you panic. There's a big difference. A temporary dip is not a loss. A reaction is a loss. But no one tells you that. They only show charts going up in a straight line. They never show the years when nothing moved, or the months that felt like torture. Most of investing is boring. Really boring. Not flashy, not dramatic, just slow and steady. And people quit because they think boring means wrong. But boring is usually where real wealth grows. You don't need to be exceptionally smart to invest well. You don't need to predict the market. You don't need to know what happens next year. You just need a strategy that protects you from yourself. But most people chase the next big thing. New coins, hot stocks, hype everywhere. They think opportunity is always somewhere else. Here's the truth. It's not opportunity that's missing, it's consistency. Long-term success feels slow while it's happening, but looks fast in hindsight. People underestimate what they can do in 10 years because they're focused on winning in 10 days. If people simply did nothing after investing, literally nothing, they would probably make more money than constantly changing things. You will make mistakes. You will buy at the wrong time. You will sell at the wrong time. You will doubt yourself. This is part of the journey, not a sign of failure. The market doesn't care about your plans, your timeline, your expectations, your feelings. It moves however it wants. Your job isn't to predict it. Your job is to stay the course. Investing isn't just about growing money. It's about building a future version of yourself that has freedom. Freedom from stress. Freedom from worrying about bills. Freedom from feeling behind. Freedom to live life on your own terms. Long-term growth takes time. It's not exciting at first, but the patience you build now is what makes everything work later. If this video gave you a new perspective, do me a small favor. Hit the like button so more people can start their journey patiently. Subscribe to keep learning step by step and stay consistent. And leave a comment. Tell me which truth surprised you the most. We're building this journey together, one patient step at a time.